just like that, we are back to the big red truck, guys. So I'm back from a pretty much 1 week vacation. It felt really good to have that time off. I don't need that phone anymore. Felt really good to have the time off. And yeah, I just flew into GSP Airport and we're just getting back to the rig. So Derek's gonna be meeting up here soon. He's got some stuff he needed to take care of, but I got my travel bag here, clothes. I brought my laptop this time so I can edit some videos. So I'll put that up in there real quick. And then obviously my little hygiene bag, guys. If you guys do trucking, advise all you guys to get one of these. They're just really good to have. Like I have my shaving stuff, my toothpaste, toothbrush in there. So definitely get yourself one of those. And then what did I get? What did I get for dinner? This is dinner tonight because I was afraid I wasn't gonna be able to go out and get anything. And here we have it, guys. You guys all know about Zaxby's if you're down south. This place is fire. So I got a little grilled chicken salad, nothing too crazy, some water. So I'm gonna feast on that once I get in the truck here. Wow, it is freaking super hot. All right, so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna turn on I killed the power switch before I left. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. There we go. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna start the truck. Make sure it starts. Crank this AC for a second, guys. Get this AC on. And then I gotta put the AC on in the back. Don't worry, guys, I'll be doing a truck tour eventually. I'm just kind of waiting to get my own. God, it's hot back here. All right, woo! Let me put on the sleeper dome light. And then back here is our AC. This is the EPU. So we're gonna hold this down. All right, so you can see the battery voltage right there. And now we're gonna put the AC on back here. So nice to have one of these guys, and the truck doesn't even need to stay running. I'll show you guys. It has like has a mode where you could like make sure that AC's blowing cold. AC's blowing cold. This is my bunk. Some of you guys asked if this is where we, go number 2 in. This is just trash, guys. So keep that in mind. That's just the trash. But yeah, it feels weird to be back, guys. It feels good, but it definitely is weird to be back, guys. That time flew by. Went by really freaking fast, as you know. So let me just get all settled in here. I'm gonna pull my bag and stuff up the top. Yeah, feels good to be back in the truck, guys. Next time I'll be back home, hopefully I'll be in my own truck. So that'll like alleviate a lot of like travel expenses and stuff, because this last time around I paid for the flights and stuff, so it adds up. And then I had the rental car getting back to Connecticut when we had that week off. But it feels good to be back, guys. I'm ready to roll here. And I'm also ready to eat real quick. That's probably what I should be doing right now, because your boy is starving. So stay tuned for some trucking content, guys. I have a couple videos planned. I think they're gonna be awesome. And yeah, I'm gonna vlog my life on the road. I can't wait till I get my own truck. It's been definitely a fun experience so far. So make sure you guys like this video, drop your comments down below, and subscribe for more trucking videos, car content, vlogs, everything. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.